dysfunctional vet. As you can see, I have a stainless steel tie wrapped in 1/4-inch PVC drip tubing. Now this is not got, there's no perforations in this. And what I'm getting ready to do is I'm getting ready to put a tool on this and pull this tight. Unfortunately, the camera that I normally record on the tripod is on charge right now. So I'm going to try to put the tool on. I'm going to try to operate it. I'm going to try to hang on to the camera and at the same time pull tension and clip it. So let's see if a one-handed monkey can do a three-handed job. Okay, my tool is now on here. It's into position, and I start pulling. I need to release this. I need to work this by hand, and I can't hold the camera and work it by hand. That's a two-handed job with a one-handed monkey. So hang on just a second, I'll be right back to you. All right, we pull in, and now I've got to re-pull in again to get the proper tension, and I use the connection right here to cut it. It's not as pretty as I would like it to be. Bend that down, but this is now very securely tied, and this will take the strain off of this black box. All right, here is my piece. It's double wrapped. This is the top. It wraps down, it comes over here, and then it wraps back across this up to here. So I've got two wraps on the bottom to help support this cable and secure it. This takes the load off of this piece right here, which was what I was concerned about. Now, how did I do that? What I did, and I'm going to show you right down here a little bit below this. It's a different size, which is fine. But what I did was I took this piece, now that's my start point right there, and then I wrapped this around 2 times. This one is way too short to be using as far as securing this goes. And then I found out what my length was. I used a Sharpie. Now the one I used was 18 inches. And I put my line on there like so. And so that I know that from right here out to that point, that is the length of plastic pipe that I need in order to get this around this top piece. I went and I cut my length of pipe needed, and I would push this in like so, and I would take a pair of pliers and I would squeeze this down about 1 or 2 inches, and I would heat it in the sun. Just let it heat for about 5 minutes and keep squeezing it, and then keep shoving this through. And then there came a point to where I'd heat it in the sun. I'd squeeze it all the way down from here to where I thought it was. I'd keep squeezing, and then I'd use a pair of pliers to push this in, push it in, until I got this out. Then I slid this down to the head of the thing here, and once I had it there, then I double wrapped it right up here, and then I used my tool. And you need a tool for stainless steel. You cannot pull it tight by hand. There's just no way. Even if you get a pair of pliers and you try to hang on to this, it is not going to work. You need a tool. You can get them on Amazon really inexpensively. But anyway, I would then pull this thing up, suck it up, so that I take all the strain off of this. So I have 2 sections of this pipe onto my line supporting this cable, so there's no weight directly on the box that I have my hand on. And I would recommend that you do this. Now these things are expensive when you buy them from Uline. I'm not going to lie to you about that. However, the tool for tightening these are inexpensive on Amazon. And everything that I'm doing where I want a permanent forever fix, I'm using the stainless steel. I used to use the black plastic and stuff. I used the white plastic. I've used it all. And this, I don't have to worry about it dying in a couple of years and breaking. So I hope that helps. Dysfunctional vet out.